In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone to collage your pictures together. Now, the problem with using your phone is that it only allows you, or only allows me, my Samsung S9 only allows me to collage up to 6 images together. You can use some other free collage apps that will allow you to collage more. So on my in my phone's gallery, I'm in a folder where I've taken some lovely photographs and edited them using Snapseed of some leaves and flowers. So I'm going to choose 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the top right hand corner I'm going to go to the 3 buttons, dot icon, and then I'm going to click on create collage, and you could just leave it like that if you wanted to, or you can tinker with the settings. So down the bottom there are different ways that you can display your collage. Okay, choose one that you like. Then you can go to the aspect ratio, which is in the middle there, 9:16 or 1:1. I prefer that one. And then the final one is the border, so click on the little square icon, which takes you to the border. You can change the border colour, you can add a sort of a rounded edge, and you can change the thickness of the border. Okay, once you're happy with that, click save, and it's saved to your device, and that is it. Have fun!